your repo, website, PDF, or slide can become a video in a minute. Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone new review video. In this video, we are going to talk about a new lifetime deal, which is Poko Video. Poko Video is a desktop tool that turns your existing content into animated video. You can give it a code project or website links, PDF, or PowerPoint file. It reads the content, prepare the scene, add motions, and create a finished video. So if you're making product video feel slow, expensive, or too technical, Poko Video could save you lot of time. Before we continue, please subscribe to the SaaS Deal Zone YouTube channel. We regularly review new SaaS deal and help you decide which one are worthy your money. Before starting the Poko Video lifetime deal review, let's talk about Poko Video pricing. Poko Video normally follow a monthly pricing model. It plans comes with different amount of AI uses, narration, minute, active project, and team access. This means you need to keep paying every month to continue using the service. The official lifetime deal, as you can see, they have official lifetime deal, give you long-term access with one-time payment instead of another monthly bill of the regular plan. So as you can see, they have a 4-tier pricing plan for lifetime deal, like starter, plus, pro, and agency. So I recommended you to try their agency plan, because from plus point to agency plan, they offer VIO for AI and voice provider. That means you can use your bring your own key, so you can use your own key to use this tool, and they give you one time some dollars. That means it's consumed when you produce a video from Poko credit, and after that you have to use your own key to produce amazing video for your project. So if you purchase agency plan, they give you $100 credit to create amazing video for your project, and you have also a team seat, so that your team member can help you to organize and create amazing content for your project. And price and limits may change, so please check the official deal price in the description for the current pricing before buying. The link in the description is an affiliate link. If you buy through that link, I may receive a small commission. You do not pay anything extra, and it helps me to create a more review like this one. I have also uploaded some exclusive bonus and useful resource related to this video on my official group, so please join my group so that you will get resource from there. So if you are a busy marketer, Poko Video is useful for marketer, developer, startup founder, blogger, and teachers, designer, small agency. It is especially help you if you already have a useful content but you do not have time to turn it into a video. Maybe you have a website, a product repo, a PDF guide, or a old presentation. Poko Video can turn that material into moving content without making start from zero. It solves the slow and often costly process of planning to designing and editing simple product video. So this is worth try if you have this scenario. If you are using Mac, or if you are using any Windows, then you will get this type of Poko Motion app. So you have to click this Poko Motion app, then you will get to redirect their interface. Here you can see, you can check their animations. They have lots of built-in animation. When you create video for your project, you can use this type of animation for your project, so it's completely free. And also you can create video from 5 different layer. Like you can create video from repo to video, that means repository to video, URL to video, PPT to video, PDF to video, and research paper to video. You can make this video by using these 5 different tools. Also you will get your account credit or account dollar depending on your account plan. And here is the settings option. This is mandatory before starting the review. I explain you step by step. You can use the agent engine here, like Codex and Cloud Code. Also you can use the billing model. You can check the billing model here, like you can use Poko credit that by default they give you when you purchase their lifetime deal. And you can also use your own key. I am not inputting, or I am not input here my any key yet, but I try to use after finishing my account credit. And you can see they have a voice options. You can use Cartesia API key or 11 Lab API key, or you can use any type of voice. By default they have a lots of male, female, and neutral voice model for your project. Also you can clone any type of voice from here, like you have to record a audio for your project and upload your audio here and clone your voice. After cloning your voice, you can use your clone voice when you generate any video from Poko, right? So first of all, we talk about the repo to video. So basically, if you want to use code base to video, Poko video can turn a code project into the motion video. You select a project folder. I don't have any project folder yet, that's why I can show you the real process, but I will show you the URL to video or pp to video sample. So Poko video can turn code project into motion video. You select a project folder from your computer, and the tool checks the available file, text, branding, colors and product details. It then create a script and build a scene around the product, and this can be a very useful for developer who have built a good product but do not enjoy making promotional content. Instead of explaining every feature from scratch, you can use information that is already inside your project. It gives you a quickly fast version that you can review and edit. So basically, if you have a SaaS, if you are a SaaS founder and if you have a small tool, then you can use this Repo to video to create a product demo for your brand or for your product, right? Now let's talk about their amazing feature, which is website URL to video. So with the website to video feature, you simply paste your website URL. As you can see, this is my website URL. This is my agency website. So I just go to the Poko video URL to video. So this is very simple. Poko video check the page and read the main message and pick up visual details such as color, text, image and branding. It then turns the information into a product video. This is useful for landing page promotions, social media ads and client previews. Agency can also use it to create quick sample of possible client. However, you should still check the script carefully to make sure every claim is correct. So all you need to do, you have to input your website URL, then Poko will generate the video. So I create a video a few minutes ago, then I show you how this video looks like. This is the video I generate from the one single URL of my agency website. So as you can see, here is the chatbot and here is the options you can check from here. So for URL to video, you have to select the options for your video like show vid sheet and generate voiceover, add background music, add sound effect. You can also, if you click the animations, as you can see, they have a built-in animation. So if you select the animation, Poko will be use this animation to create video for you. So as you can see, there are lots of animation available here, so you can use this animation to create video for your project. Also, you can select the voice, which voice you want to use. I have now my own clone voice. If you have a Elegant Lab or Cartasia key setup, then you can use it, or you can use their by default voice for the video making. So again, you have to click the options from here, and this is the chat box. You have to input website, then Poko will generate a detailed overview of your video. Like first, I just input my voice and I select some animations and I give them my website URL, and as you can see, Poko will generate this video. So let's see how this video looks like.
Tired of spending money on marketing with nothing to show for it? Random ads, random posts, no real results. Meet Mentors Boss, your dedicated growth partner. We rank you on Google with local SEO. Get your videos found with YouTube SEO. We run Google ads that actually turn a profit. We manage your social media. Consistent on brand every week. And we generate qualified B2B leads that turn into real deals. Every strategy is data driven. Every campaign gets optimized week after week. And every plan is built for your industry, not some generic template. Stop guessing. Start growing. Visit mentorsboss.com to book a free strategy call or send us a message to start your next campaign.
So I'm not give them too much context about creating this video. I just give them my own voice and select some animation here and just input the simple prompt, write a 45-second promo video script. I tell them to create script first, then after that you can generate video, and I give them information little bit about my agency, then they will generate all thing and give me the details about the video. So they give the information about what video should be, like time, and narration type, which type of content they include in your video. If you need any changes, you can chat them and edit and fix the video content they are producing for you. After that, when you confirm, they will generate the video for you. So this is really amazing and very time saver for busy marketer. So you can easily build and create high quality video from URL to video for your brand, and it cost you around $3 to $4 on around. You have to cost at least you have to pay $4 for create a good quality 45 second video. So now let's talk about PDF to video. So basically this is the PDF to video. So if you click here, you have to select the PDF option. So if you have a guide, report, case study, lead magnet, or product documentations, you can turn it into a animated video. Poco Video reads the PDF, find the main point, and divide the information into the scene. A blogger can turn PDF guide into a YouTube video. A consultant can turn a report into a client presentation. You can also add narration, making the final result easier to follow. So here is the another two new feature, like research paper to video and presentation to video, right? So basically all are same. You can use presentation when you creating the video. You can use research paper when you create the video. So all are same. You just have to select the sources, and you have to select the your desired animation and your voice, and give them AI the right information about Poco Video, that is chat to edit. One of the easier parts of Poco Video is chat based editing. Instead of learning a complex editing timeline, you can describe the changes you want, and for example you can ask it to shorten a scene, change the background, slow down an animation, or move the logo. This makes the editing process more friendly for beginner. It can also save time when your client asks for small changes. For detail edit, through a traditional video editor may still offer more control. So if you want to change anything, you just have to input the prompt, and Poco Video will edit your entire video. So don't worry, just keep chatting and receive the final output from Poco Video. One important thing, Poco Video render video on your computer. You do not need to upload large project file or wait a cloud rendering QE. This can be useful when you are working with private code, client document, or other sensitive file. Local rendering can also make testing different version faster. However, the actual speed depend on your computer, so you need a powerful PC or Mac or a laptop to produce high quality content. So a newer machine should perform better, while older laptop may take longer time with complex projects. So here is all about this Poco Video. If you have any question regarding this lifetime, drop a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Facebook group to get the latest SaaS lifetime giveaway and lifetime deal reviews. Thanks for watching this video.